15 Indoor Courtyard Design Ideas. Transform your space into a stunning green retreat. Imagine stepping into your home and being greeted not by walls and furniture, but by a breathtaking indoor courtyard, alive with vibrant greenery and the soothing sounds of trickling water. This enchanting space invites you to escape the chaos of everyday life and immerse yourself in a tranquil oasis where nature and design harmoniously blend. With sunlight streaming through large windows and the fresh scent of plants filling the air, your indoor courtyard becomes a personal retreat, offering a refreshing glimpse of the outdoors without ever leaving your home. Ready to transform your living space into this stunning green retreat? Creating an indoor courtyard can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home while providing a serene escape from the bustling outside world. This innovative design idea allows you to integrate nature into your living space, offering a refreshing oasis filled with greenery. An indoor courtyard can serve various purposes, whether as a relaxation area, a vibrant gathering spot, or even a mini garden for plant enthusiasts. With thoughtful design, your indoor courtyard can become a stunning green retreat that rejuvenates your spirit. One of the most popular indoor courtyard design ideas is to incorporate a variety of plants that thrive in indirect sunlight. This includes ferns, peace lilies, and snake plants, which can create a lush environment while purifying the air. The key to a successful indoor courtyard is selecting plants that match your space's light conditions and your maintenance preferences. Additionally, consider using hanging planters or vertical gardens to maximize space and add depth to your design. Water features can elevate the tranquility of your indoor courtyard, providing soothing sounds that promote relaxation. A small fountain or a pond can become the focal point of your space, drawing attention and creating a serene atmosphere. The gentle sound of flowing water can help mask unwanted noise, making it an ideal retreat for meditation or reading. Incorporating a water feature can also support various aquatic plants, enhancing your green oasis's beauty. Another idea is to utilize natural materials for your courtyard flooring and furnishings. Stone tiles, wooden decking, or even pebbles can contribute to a rustic and organic feel. These materials not only enhance the aesthetics, but also provide a durable and easy-to-maintain surface. Additionally, consider incorporating soft furnishings like cushions and rugs to create a cozy ambience, making it a perfect spot for lounging or entertaining guests. Lighting plays a crucial role in indoor courtyard design, allowing you to create different moods throughout the day. Opt for a combination of natural light and artificial lighting to enhance the beauty of your plants and features. Skylights and large windows can invite sunlight, while strategically placed pendant lights or fairy lights can add warmth during the evening. Layered lighting can help highlight key areas of your courtyard, creating an inviting atmosphere for relaxation or social gatherings. For those looking to incorporate a seating area, consider built-in benches or a small bistro table. This creates a functional space where you can enjoy your morning coffee or host friends. Choose weather-resistant furniture to ensure durability and comfort, and add cushions for extra coziness. Arranging your seating around a focal point, like a fire pit or water feature, can create a natural gathering space, enhancing the courtyard's inviting nature. Incorporating unique decorative elements can add character and charm to your indoor courtyard. Consider adding sculptures, pottery, or decorative stones to enhance your space's artistic appeal. These elements can create visual interest and serve as conversation starters for guests. Furthermore, personalizing your courtyard with items that reflect your style can make the space feel more like an extension of your home. If you want to grow your herbs or vegetables, an indoor courtyard is an excellent opportunity to establish a small garden. Raised beds or planter boxes can be integrated into your design, allowing you to cultivate fresh produce right in your home. This not only promotes a sustainable lifestyle, but also enhances the air quality within your living space. Imagine stepping out into your indoor retreat and picking fresh basil or tomatoes for your meals, an experience that is both rewarding and delightful. In conclusion, transforming your space into a stunning green retreat through an indoor courtyard can significantly enhance your quality of life. By incorporating diverse plant species, water features, natural materials, and unique decor, you can create a personalized oasis that caters to your needs. Whether you seek a peaceful haven for solitude or an inviting area for socializing, an indoor courtyard can fulfill those desires. Embrace the beauty of nature within your home and enjoy the countless benefits of having a serene indoor sanctuary. If you found delight in this video, please press that thumbs up. Until we meet again, keep sprinkling joy in your spaces, and remember, we're just a click away. Drop a comment down below. Tell us what other architectural marvels should we check out. Stay creative and happy decorating.